Welcome, I'm Crafty Maryanne. Today let's make some hot sauce. First we're going to be doing a double batch of Poblano hot sauce, and then we're also going to be doing with the same basic recipe, 2 kinds of jalapenos, red and green. Alright, so let's get mixing our Poblano hot sauce. So I have all of the ingredients measured out and ready to go. We have essentially a quart of Poblanos or 4 or 5 large Poblanos. These are smaller so it takes up a little more space. We have our 6 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and half an onion. Great, we're on to the red jalapeno hot sauce now. So we have about, give or take a few, about 20 jalapenos. I've already cut off the stems, and if you want a hotter hot sauce, leave the seeds in. If you don't want that much heat but just don't want a nice robust flavor, you can center them out and get the seeds out from the center. And that'll make a big difference. So we're going to start just like last time with our jalapenos. We go ahead and add our water and vinegar. This is 2 cups water to 1 cup vinegar. Half an onion. For our last batch of hot sauce, and then we'll be on to the stove. Jalapenos, garlic, salt, pepper, beautiful red onion, 2 cups water, 1 cup vinegar. And now to blend. Now you can see that we have the hot sauce coming up to a boil, so we can jar it. And it's not going to go in ball mason jars this time. It's going to go in little hot sauce jars. So it's a little bit different. Pour our hot sauce into it and then strain out the solids. Alright, now we're done straining out the green jalapeno pepper hot sauce, and we're just going to fill the bottles. So we want just a little bit more. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. That was too much. Not a first, not going to be a last. About where we want our headspace to be on the jar, just about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. So that's how far we want to fill each jar. So let's put the lid on. A lot of hot water goes right on the jar, and it's good to go. All right, now to do the rest. So you can see that we have all of the jars of our hot sauce in a water bath canner. It's actually a pressure canner, but I use it as my water bath canner as well. And they're going to be in there for 15 minutes. There we have it. We have 7 Poblano hot sauces. We have 4 jalapeno green hot sauces, 3 red jalapeno hot sauce, and a mix of the 3 all together.
Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for joining Crafty Maryanne.